So we have both windows set now, and amazingly they had a strip in this one too. So that's why they weren't latching correctly. The problem with the strip is it pushes the top one down, so then these two don't mesh. They don't meet in the right spot, and they have a bevel on them, so the latch actually pulls it together with the bevel. So you're basically shooting yourself in the foot. So if they tried to stop air from coming in the top with a strip, they then just move the air down to here. So I don't get it. I just totally have no idea why the strip was there. I do think the strip caused this to break. I'm going to just clean it and silicone it so no one cuts himself there. But so time to start caulking. I'm going to do one more brushing and then start caulking. We're going to caulk in the top. I'm actually going to put a screw in each side here to hold the top stable. I really see no sense in them moving. And then we're going to caulk in the tops, inside and outside. The bottoms will remain movable, so when we're painting, we got to move them every once in a while so they don't stick. And then we'll, I have to do some caulking here first. All the edges need to be caulked. And we need to finish the molding. So back at it.